Hi there. Are you one of the many people suffering from tinnitus or ringing in the ears? If so, you know how frustrating and disturbing it can be. But what if there was a natural way to relieve these symptoms and promote healthy hearing? That's where Neurorise comes in. Neurorise is an all-natural tinnitus supplement that promotes healthy hearing. It is packed with over 20 natural ingredients that are carefully selected and added in precise dosages. It also clears mental fog, sharpens focus, and improves memory. Please note that the original Neurorise is only sold on the official website, so I recommend that you not buy this product on any other website such as eBay, Amazon, Walmart, or Wish because you run a great risk of falling for scams or receiving a counterfeit product. To help you, I've left the link to the official website in the description of this video in case you want to access and purchase your Neurorise in a safe and guaranteed way. Neurorise combines herbal extracts, vitamins, and minerals to improve hearing, protect against age-related damage, prevent cell damage and inflammation, and increase blood flow to the nerve cells in the ears. The antioxidants in this formula also protect sensitive nerve cells from inflammation, preventing age-related damage to the ear and supporting 360-degree hearing. Click the link in the description of this video to buy from the official site.